Hey, I'm Jessica Kumar, lifelong Hindi learner who's been in India for going on 2 decades.
I've helped hundreds of students grow in conversational Hindi. Many of those students learned to improve their relationships, have greater clarity in the workplace, or to have more authentic experiences while traveling in India.
I created Learn Hindi Anywhere to help diaspora Indians and also non-Indian learners like myself to learn practical, usable Hindi that people actually speak. One of my core values is to support native Hindi speakers and guide learners to their resources, which bridge a gap between the learner and the common challenges of learning a South Asian language. So what is Hindi Grammar Foundations all about? It's for any age, and the goal is to get the learner to be able to speak and construct your own sentences using the formulas in the first person, and also to ask basic questions and give commands in the most common verbs. I've invited my co-teacher Abhishek Benedict from Language Nurturers to help me with a lot of the foundational grammar pieces of this course. These videos are download at your own pace, and once you purchase the course, you have lifelong access to the homework and the videos. We use the spiral method of learning, so we don't cover every single minute detail of every topic that we're talking about before we move on. We allow you to fill that space and learn to manipulate the language components to produce what you need for your own situation. So I encourage you to browse the curriculum listed on the site, and this is definitely the most robust course I've created so far. The homework and downloadable resources are really key to the whole function of this course. Without that, you're just passively listening to videos, which, to be honest, doesn't get you very far. With each exercise, you'll need to download the homework and check your answers in the answer key. Many of the lessons include assignments where you need to go and practice with a native Hindi speaker of your choice to really complete and solidify the content of the assignment. So some people have asked, do I need to take Hindi hacks first? And the answer is no. This is an entirely different course. It has different content, but the two do build on each other. They both have their own merits. Hindi hacks is really to get you speaking the basic questions, to answer questions immediately, and not really knowing how to construct a sentence or a whole lot of grammar. It's mostly phrases by topic. This course gets a lot more technical and talks through how do you create your own sentences and manipulate the language components about topics that you choose. This course is different from anything else out there because it cuts out all of the outdated language that people don't use. And I really just kind of get to the point. What do people actually say, and what do you need to know for your situation? If that sounds good, join us for Hindi Grammar Foundations.